guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika, the channel where we make amazing clay jewelry tutorials, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful clay jewelry. I'll show you how to make this beautiful earrings. So without further ado, let's get straight with our before go park. Consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'll gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. If you're looking for new jewelry ideas or templates for making your earrings, then I have an entire PDF download that contains best of my top 100 clay jewelry ideas, which you can very well use it as an ideas or can take a printout of it and can use it as a template. The link is in description box below. You can very well grab it out. It's a PDF download. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial.
What are the materials required? You're gonna need an air dry clay. I'm using this gray dry clay. Then you're gonna need a paper pulp, okay? You're gonna need a working mat, some clay instruments, water. Then you're also gonna need some colors to color your earrings. And then you're gonna need a wire elements to actually attach and finish up with the earrings tutorial.
this is the end result of beautiful clay earrings. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you find this tutorial useful, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such videos? Or if you have any video requests, I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's tutorial. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye guys.